Today, I'm going to be revealing something that many rappers struggle to hear at first, and it's a little something called swing. Swing is when we intentionally align the timing of our rap cadences so they're slightly offbeat. They're either a little bit late, known as late swing, or they're a little bit early, known as early swing. And once you train your ears to hear swing, you're going to start noticing it on so many of your favorite rap songs. A lot of current mumble rap / trap music uses early swing with rappers like GloRilla and Finesse 2 Times. And when I was coming up in the early 2000s, a lot of rappers were using late swing like T.I., Ludacris, and Field Mob. And a lot of people up until now have seemed to prefer the late swing over the early swing because the late swing feels more chill and relaxed and smooth, and the early swing feels more anxious and rushed and unsettling. However, due to how popular mumble rap / trap music has become, many more people are now starting to enjoy that early swing as well. Now let's dive in and check out some varying degrees of both late swing and early swing. And for this video, I'm going to be using a beat that I produced called Midnight Drive. If you like this beat and you want to support me and my channel, I'll post a link to my beat store in the video's description below. Now let's first check out some examples of early swing. For all of today's examples, I'm going to be using the same exact cadence. And for this cadence, I filled in beats 1 and 3 with 16th notes and beat 4 with 2 8th notes. And here's a quick example of how it sounds with no swing, and pay special attention to how my 16th note on beat 2 and my 8th note on beat 4 lands directly on the snares. Let's check it out. Operator ember to your path. Operator ember to your path. Okay, now I'm going to replay this cadence with no swing, but it's going to be followed by 4 varying amounts of late swing. And each swing is going to get a little bit later each time. And pay very close attention to how my syllables that were landing exactly on beats 2 and 4 on the snares keep drifting further and further behind those snares. Let's check it out. Operator ember to your path. 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 Okay, now let's do the inverse of what I just did. I'm going to first play the cadence without any swing, and then I'm going to start applying the same exact amount of swing as before, except this time it's going to be early instead of late. Again, pay attention to those snares and how my syllables keep landing earlier and earlier before each of those snares. Let's get it. Operator ember to your path. 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 Now let's listen one more time, but this time I'm going to play all the swings in one cycle, starting with the earliest swing first, and then it's going to keep getting a little bit closer to being on beat, and then we're going to eventually get to it being perfectly on beat. And then we're going to start getting later and later and later with the late swing. So you get a full example of how you can manipulate your cadences using both early and late swing, or also just being perfectly on beat. Let's get it. Operator ember to your path. 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 So here's a few main takeaways. You don't have to be a mumble rapper to use early swing, and you don't have to be a rapper from the 2000s or the 90s to use late swing. Feel free to use them both, and also continue to rap perfectly on beat as well. And another major takeaway is when you're using swing, either late or early swing, you can use varying amounts of it. It's totally on you how obvious you want your swing to be, or how subtle you want your swing to be. And if you're wanting to dig even deeper into how to perfect your rap flow, stay tuned because I'm about to drop a game-changing rap course that's going to help you take your rap flow to a whole nother level. And if you're watching this in the future, I'll be sure to post a link to it in the video description below. My name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video description below. And subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.